It's a nice combination going on. And then when the summertime hits, you know, because it's spring, so the sun is just now becoming more prominent. But honey, in the summertime, y'all not gonna be able to tell me nothing, honey. And I mean nothing. Hey guys, welcome back, Sabbies, hooty-hoo, and newbies, sup. And just in case you don't know what a newbie is and you're wondering which of the two is you, honey, don't worry, I'm about to tell you. A newbie be anybody checking me out, maybe for the first time, maybe for the second, it may even be for the third, honey. We don't count those numbers around here. We really don't. I just want all of my subs and I want all of my noobs to gather around and come on in. Okay, so for today, I know y'all looked at the title of the video. Honey, I know some of y'all even checked your calendars and or your clocks. So everybody who is caught up, y'all already know what's about to go down. Yes, it is that time, y'all. It is that time for our Relaxer Day check-in. Now, all of y'all who have been around the hair block with me a time or two, you guys know that I like to relax my hair about every 7 to 8 weeks. But guess what? We pushed it to 9. We've done that before, but we did it again, and with good purpose in mind. This was to, well, the last time I did my relaxer update, I did a little Olaplex, about a week before, So it went so well before, I figured I would try it again this time around, you know what I mean? So that's what we did, and so now we are going to check in and check up with the status or state of my hair, how everything is flowing and going. Y'all know the drill. How everything is flowing and going, any updates as far as products, any new news as far as what's going on, and then we check in with all of y'all, and then we get up out of here, right? All right. So with that being said, first we're gonna start with the hors d'oeuvres. And what that would be is we're gonna start with any product update as far as anything that I may have added or subtracted as far as my regimen. Now, y'all already know that I already got my steady betties. I got my usual suspects as far as my lineup of products, and I haven't really tried anything new, which is nothing new. But anyway, so I've been pretty consistent as far as my products. So I don't change up too much, but y'all do know that I did do a little bit more color. What? You haven't heard? Where have you been, honey? I put in more color. That was about, I think, the last round as far as my relaxer day. So the last relaxer day, I did the Olaplex, I did the color and all that other stuff. And I really like where it is landing color-wise right now. So as far as that's concerned, that's the only update as far as the products. So now that we've given the update as far as products, honey, we're going to jump right into the main course. We're going to get to the meat and potatoes. Honey, we are going to get to the We are going to get to the main event, which is showing of the hair. We are just going to check in and see what is going on with my hair, you know, just to make sure everything is flowing and going and tight and right and everything is good in the hair hood. You know what I'm saying? And for all those who are not initiated, what we do is I'm just going to spin around and just give you the 360, the full view of my hair. And then we're going to come right back. And like I said, we just going to give a little bit more, you know, details. Then we're going to get up out of here. Okay? So without any further ado, and without any further delay, we're going to jump right to what I got going on for today. High glory. So let's go. guys, so needless to say, we're doing pretty well. We're doing very well. Again, I did my relaxer 9 weeks out, and I wanted to wait that extra week so I could do the Olaplex. What I did in the past, when I was first growing my hair in, I used to do the Olaplex a week after I relaxed. But this time around, I think because I'm using the color, that's the Clairol Beautiful semi-permanent, being that I was using that, I said, you know what, let me just boost the strength of my hair since I'm using color and do the Olaplex. So I went through that one cycle last relaxer day where I did the Olaplex a week before relaxing, and the results were so good that I wanted to try it again. And guess what? We got the same results. I'm loving the way it feels. I'm loving the way it looks. It feels full. It's bouncy. And all the stuff that I expect from my hair when I do it. It even helped with a little bit of the dryness that I was getting that y'all, you know. Okay, so as far as that's concerned, this is a keeper. As far as doing the Olaplex a week before I relax, I think I'm going to continue to do that. So I'll be using the Olaplex like once every, 8 weeks. You know, when I relax, I like to trim my ends. So I trimmed it, trimmed the bangs, trimmed the back all the way around. And you guys know that I checked the middle part because I used to get breakage. When I part my hair and I show the little middle section, that's because I used to get thinness throughout that section. And trimming my hair has really helped me keep that at bay. I don't get those issues anymore. And keeping up with the trimming schedule has really helped me with that. So yeah, everything is looking and feeling good. I'm loving the addition of the honey brown color that I've been using, you know, to sort of bring a little bit of goldenness to my strands. It's a nice combination going on. You got a little bit of the red, got a little bit of golden yellow. And then when the summertime hits, you know, because it's spring, so the sun is just now becoming more prominent. But honey, in the summertime, y'all not going to be able to tell me nothing, honey. And I mean nothing, because the sun is really going to kiss my hair. My hair is going to be more sun-kissed. And it's going to lighten and brighten and get a little redder and more golden. So I'm looking forward to that. Very excited about that. And speaking of relaxers, because that's what we're talking about. You know, I did a video on the relaxer. It's called the Phyto Relaxer. P-H-Y-T-O. Those who already use it, you guys already know that they have discontinued the yes, honey, they have discontinued the Phyto Relaxer. And I was quite surprised because a lot of people, well, you know what? I don't even know why I'm surprised, because a lot of my products that I use, it gets discontinued. So why would that even change as far as this whole landscape of, you know, products? Companies discontinue and change the formulas of products all the time. And now this Phyto Relaxer, it had natural ingredients. It wasn't lye-based, but it also incorporated different ingredients like mushrooms, had a lot of botanicals and plants and all that good stuff. So with that being said, and it was very effective. Those that I heard from that used it personally, because I've never used it, I did do a review on it because of its ingredients and how it was different than all the other relaxers out there. Those who used it really, they were definitely adherents to the product. And it's just rather unfortunate that it's no longer being offered. So for those who have reached out to me to see whether I know of an alternative, I don't. But I will keep my ears to the hair streets to see if anything out there comes about as far as, you know, anything comparable. So I will definitely let you guys know. Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with my hair. I still got my wings on the side, so I can still go to Farrah. I can do my little mushroom hairstyle or what. Honey, I'm in a good place hair-wise, and I'm very thankful for it. But that's enough about me. I done jibber-jabbered long enough. So with that being said, I am going to button up and not say another word, because guess what? It's not about me anymore. It's all about y'all, because y'all know what time it is. Those who are initiated, say it with me. It is roll call time. Yes, 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 honey. grab mama and them and run into the living room or wherever you are watching this or whatever, and get ready to grab the mic for all of those who feel a little bit verbose and want to share your testimony. That's hair testimony, everybody. I don't need to hear about nothing else but hair right now. But anybody who wants to share what's going on with your hair, please come forward, grab the mic, and let us know what is going on with you. Naturals, relaxed. Everybody who has hair on their head or would just like to talk about hair, please come forward and let us know. Have you tried anything new? Have you tried anything old? Are there any new products that you got your eyes on? Or have you given up your kitchen beauticianship and gone back to the stylist because DIY just ain't for you no more? Honey, anything and everything you want to say about your hair. Maybe you're getting a little frustrated. I know some of y'all have been going through some things as far as your hair. I just want to let y'all know, of course, you know, I can relate, you know, this whole hair journey and how there's bumps in the road. I can relate. So if you simply want to vent just for a quick second, honey, we got time for you too. So anybody and everybody that just want to jibber jabber just a little bit, please come to the front and let us know what is going on with you. And while they are coming up to the front, I do want to say that Theory, you know, I use Theory products, hair products. Anyway, they had a little sale not too long ago. If y'all check the community board, we're a little active over there, just giving little updates as far as scheduling and so forth and so on. Well, honey, this past Easter, which was a couple of days ago, they had a little sale. And so I picked up a couple of things. You know, I re-upped on my standards. And then I got something new. Yes, honey, I know. I surprised myself. So that's going to come up in the next video. I'm going to share what I got my hands on. But in the meantime and in between time, I think we can wrap this thing up. What do you say? I think we should, honey. So that's what we're about to do. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out okay. I want to thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really do appreciate it. I really do. I really do. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. Honey, I need y'all to come back on in here so we can talk about some more stuff. What do you say? I think we should, honey. So you gotta come back for that. So you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce dial. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on back.